and here's Alex.
Thank you, Angie. Hello there. Well, it was a bit of a gloomy start to the day with some mist and fog patches around, but the sunshine did come out. We have seen some pretty decent spells of sunshine across.
Thanks, Alex. Oh,
Lots of confusion there. Ryan Reynolds, might pay a visit, you never know.
That would be wonderful, wouldn't it? Can you imagine? So the weather's been in a bit of a holding pattern, and that's last week and again this week. We're going to see some similar weather conditions today. Some mist, fog and low cloud to begin with. Some rainbows out there with some showers, but also some blue sky and some sunshine, some beautiful autumn colours here. So over the next few days, we can expect similar sort of weather patterns. Mist, fog and low cloud lifting in the morning, and then some sunny spells, although it does look a little bit cloudier on the whole for Thursday. For now, we have seen some showers drifting in from the North Sea, affecting parts of Suffolk and Essex, but for most of us this evening and overnight will be dry with some clear spells out there. Now, temperatures last night were quite variable, but places like Thetford got down to 3 Celsius, and tonight it's possible again some of these numbers could be quite low, 4 or 5 degrees quite widely, and in those frost-prone spots getting a little bit closer to 0, so perhaps 2 or 3 degrees, places like Santon Downham. Now, that brisk northeasterly wind of today is going to continue to ease down to a light northerly. We'll see some mist and fog developing. That might be a little bit slow to clear first thing tomorrow morning. This is our pressure pattern. We've got this large area of high pressure drifting across us. This weather front here is a weak weather front that will introduce more cloud for Thursday, but for tomorrow, mist, fog, low cloud lifting. We should see a good deal of sunshine into the afternoon, and it is expected to stay dry for most of us through the day tomorrow, and in the sunshine with lighter winds it should be quite pleasant. Temperatures 10 to 12 Celsius for most of us. So looking ahead, that weather front moves southwards for Thursday. That will introduce more cloud. We've still got high pressure in charge, but gradually we'll see a change into the weekend. So what it means is for Thursday we can expect a fairly cloudy forecast. There could be some light rain or drizzle out of the thickest of the cloud, but it is expected to brighten up later in the day. A bright day on Friday once we've got rid of that mist and fog, and then into the weekend we start to see a series of weather fronts moving down from the north. They're going to introduce more cloud, eventually some rain, and eventually some colder air. So we'll notice quite a difference into next week. We could be into single figures by day, and the chance of some showers as well. A good a moment to look at the overnight temperatures as well, just to remind you that it is starting to get quite a bit chillier overnight, and there are the risks of ground frosts overnight.
Yeah, temperatures really dropping, aren't they? Thank you very much, Alex.
Hello. It could turn quite chilly overnight tonight with a lot of clear sky out there and with light winds. We're likely to see some mist and fog patches forming in some parts of the region. Could drop to around 4 or 5 Celsius. Locally it could be a little bit lower as we start the day. So a chilly start to the day tomorrow, but high pressure essentially bringing us quite a lot of settled weather for tomorrow. So mist, fog and low cloud to lift first thing, and then brighter skies following. Plenty of sunshine into the afternoon, and with lighter winds tomorrow, highs of around 11 or 12 degrees. It shouldn't feel too bad out there. Looking ahead to Thursday, increasing amounts of cloud. That could produce 1 or 2 spots of light rain or drizzle in places. Brighter later, a misty, foggy start to Friday with some sunshine breaking through the cloud. And at this stage, a dry start to the weekend, but turning unsettled.